Hello. Now what we need to do is we need to get these pipes to move. Now, in order to do that, we have to make sure that our pipe is in a function. So let's call this generate pipes, and we're going to take in a matrix, and we're going to take all this stuff that was the pipe and move it over. Great. And now when we're done, we want to return that matrix. So when we call this function, it takes in a matrix and kicks out a matrix with a hole in it, or a matrix that has a pipe in it with a hole. All right. So now what we need to do is we want to move. So to move the pipes, we're going to create another definition called move pipes. And again, it's going to take in the matrix from above. And for each row in matrix, so for row in matrix, uh, we want to move the row one over. So we're going to say for I in range 7, row of I is equal to row I plus 1. And then we're going to turn the previous row to blue. Great. And then we'll return the matrix. So for each row in the matrix, so it looks at each row, and then for I in range 7, so it repeats this 7 times. It takes the row I, and it takes the I plus 1 and moves it to I. So let's see if it, well, it's not going to do anything right now. We have to tell it to move pipes. So in order for that to happen, we have to um, say for I in range. Let's do it 9 times. Um, we'll set this matrix, and then matrix equals move pipes, and then matrix. And then let's do time.sleep. Um, let's do a 0.5 seconds. And so to do that, we have to import time up here. All right, now let's see if this works. Nothing's moved. We have to generate the pipes first. So if we do matrix equals gen pipes matrix, now let's see how it goes. Oh, there it is. That's what we were hoping to happen. And if we press play again, it should happen at another point. This is great, but we don't want it to go through once. We want it to keep going through. So we're going to come up here and we're going to do while true, and then put all of this in the loop. And let's change this. This would happen every 9. Let's do it every 5. So now we run it. There'll be 5 spaces between one pipe and the next. And now this is starting to look like we can make a game out of it.